and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video I thought we would do an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the I Heart Revolution chocolate hearts. It was on their website and I thought I would pick it up just so we can see what's in it, whether it's worth the money. I think I paid like £10 for this with discount. I think it's on sale for £20, but obviously if I'm wrong I'll link it somewhere on this bit of screen, or I'll link it down below. But yeah, let's jump in, see what we've got, and maybe do some swatches. I'll let you know what my thoughts are, whether it's worth it. So for the first thing, it's an I Heart Revolution bronzing hearts. So I'll open this up. So in this box it says it's got a Blushing Hearts highlighter, a Blushing Hearts bronzer, a Unicorn Heart highlighter I'm guessing, a mint chocolate chip mini palette, 2 bath fizzers, so one in orange and one in mint, and then also the salted caramel eyeshadow palette. So let's jump in to the video and unbox. So this is how it looks. This is the first one, the bronzing hearts, and then this is the packaging, and then it is in the shade Hot Summer of Love. I could definitely get, oh! If you guys have just seen that, it's fallen out of the thing. It's not smashed, but it fell out, so be careful of that. I'm going to hold my hand there. So it reminds me of a Too Faced one, so maybe it's a dupe for that. That's not good, that's blown everywhere. Then the next one is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Mint one. It's the mini. The packaging. And then this is the inside. I don't really get like mint chocolate chip vibes from this. I kind of get like a chocolate bar feel. Yeah. It is cute, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this and whether you agree that it doesn't really give me like mint chocolate chip vibes. I also got the chocolate salted caramel, the full-sized one. So let's open this up and have a look. I don't know why I've just smelled that, because I think it's because it reminds me of the chocolate bar one from Too Faced. So this is how this looks. I feel like this is a Lush everyday affordable eyeshadow palette. It's got like the clear film there, which I won't use. I'll probably throw that away. But I feel like that's super cute. So that's that. And then I've got 2 bath fizzers. I've never actually used any of these. I've seen them on their website before, but I've never picked them up. So one of them's in mint and one of them's in orange. Then the next thing is the I Heart Revolution Glowing Hearts in the shade Goddess of Faith. And it is a triple baked highlighter. Let's hope this one doesn't fall out right. This one doesn't fall out, but well, that's how it looks. Super stunning. I'm going to swatch this. You know what, that could work. It's very subtle, but it could work. I feel like I'd definitely use this. Then the last thing in this box is a rainbow highlighter, a Unicorn's Heart. I feel like this is multicoloured. So this is the packaging of the outside, and then this is it inside. Yeah, this comes out again, but you know what, that's quite pretty. I'm going to run my finger into all of them. It's kind of gotten everywhere. I ran my finger into all of them, and it's the blue that's kind of came out predominantly. Yeah guys, that's the end of the video. My final thoughts, I do think it's worth it. It's got some good stuff. It's got some okay stuff. I mean, the 2 things that I probably am not too keen on is this mint chocolate chip vibes, just because I don't really think it gives me mint chocolate chip. And I probably could have done without bath fizzers. However, I've not used them before, so I might really enjoy them. That chocolate bar palette is perfect if you're an everyday person, and they've got some cool highlighters for you to try if you don't want to pay for like a really expensive one or even just one on its own. It is worth the money. I mean, you get like these mini chocolate chip palettes, which I think are like £4. I think the chocolate bar palettes are like £6. So it's definitely worth it if you can get it for £20. It's got some good things you can try out. But yeah, that's my final thoughts. I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe and comment. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.